New York University Langone Health surgeon successfully transplanted a pig kidney into a brain-dead man who has now survived on the organ for more than a month. Doctors at NYU Langone in New York City announced that they have successfully transplanted a genetically engineered pig kidney into a human who is declared brain dead in what they called a landmark step forward. The press release says this represents the longest period that a gene-edited pig kidney has functioned in a human and the latest step towards the advent of an alternate, sustainable supply of organs for transplants. A surgical team removed the kidneys of the human recipient in the month of July and transplanted the pig kidney as well as the thymus. Before the transplant, the pig kidney was modified to remove alpha-gal, a sugar molecule on the surface of pig cells that triggers a rare allergy to red meat as well as organ rejection. Dr. Robert Montgomery, a professor and chair of the Department of Surgery at NYU Langone Health and director of the NYU Langone Transplant Institute, said the recipient's kidney has functioned properly for a month and that its function will be monitored for another month. He said the 1-month kidney biopsies and kidney tests show no evidence of rejection and normal renal function. The pig kidney appears to replace all of the important tasks that the human kidney manages. Dr. Adam Greisemer, a transplant surgeon at NYU Langone Health, explained during a press conference that the thymus was also transplanted, embedded beneath the kidney's outer layer because it has been shown to help protect the transplanted kidney from being attacked by the human immune system. The surgical staff also gave a special thanks to Mary Miller Duffy, the sister of the brain-dead man Morris Miller, who allowed her brother's body to be used for this innovative procedure. The transplant recipient was 57-year-old Morris Miller. His sister expressed pride in her brother being involved in this historic transplant. Research on the first-of-its-kind operation that took place on the 14th of July will continue into mid-September as doctors monitor how long the animal's kidney will function properly inside a human body beyond 32 days. The pig kidney had only one genetic modification and is without experimental medications or devices. In Xenotransplants, the medical term for a cross-species organ transplant, the team of surgeons had to create a unique solution for the patient's body to avoid hyperacute rejection of the animal's organ once it connected to the 57-year-old man's circulatory system. This was done by knocking out the alpha-gal gene that doctors altered to prevent a rejection in the man. The pig-to-human transplant is a hopeful sign that xenotransplantation, the process of transplanting non-human cells and organs into humans, may be viable after years of failures.